It's almost dinner time, and one of my favorite quick and easy dinners is creamy mac and cheese. Macaroni is one of my favorite types of pasta. We're going to cook the pasta, make it in a beautiful creamy sauce. We're going to make it with milk and cheese, and it is going to be delicious. We are going to start by putting the macaroni pasta into boiling water. It's going to take about 15 minutes to cook, then we're going to strain it out. While the pasta cooks, we are going to make our creamy, cheesy sauce. Here's how we're going to do it. We are going to start by putting the butter in the pan. We want it to melt. You can get an adult to help you with this part. Next up, we add in the flour. This sauce is called a bechamel sauce, or like a really simple creamy white sauce that you can use for so many recipes. Really simple. Butter, flour, and delicious milk. The melted butter absorbs the flour and you get this kind of grainy, sandy paste. Now we're ready to add our delicious creamy milk. Top tip, add it little by little. What happens is there's little starch grains in the flour and they burst and swell and they absorb the milk. If you add it too quickly, it can go lumpy, so go slowly. Look how this is coming along. Looks like a disaster right now, right? It's not, trust me. Another great top tip, if you want to really make sure you get no lumps in your white sauce, is swap a wooden spoon for a whisk. Can you see how it's absorbing all that milk? Nice and slowly. Now at this stage, I like to add just a little hint of flavour. I'm going to use a little bit of mustard. I know, before you go, oh, I don't like mustard. Trust me, you don't even know it's there. But mustard has a secret power. What it does is mustard makes everything taste cheesier. So when you put in cheese, it tastes more cheesy because of the little bit of mustard, and you never know it's there. We're going to whisk this in. See, it just disappears. Oh, the sauce looks so good. Look how creamy and delicious this is from the milk. It's almost ready. Just a little more milk. Look at this sauce. Okay, one last drop of milk. I know, but it makes it so creamy and delicious. A little pinch of salt for seasoning, just a pinch. Now for the cheese. I love a mixture of Irish cheddar and mozzarella. The cheddar adds a lovely orange colour, but the mozzarella makes it really stringy and fun. I love cheese. Stir it all in until the cheese melts into the sauce. Okay, are you ready to see this cheese? Look at this cheesy sauce. It is so stretchy and cheesy and creamy. Oh, we're going to strain the pasta. Again, get an adult to help you with this one. Now we combine the creamy cheesy sauce with the pasta. Is this not the best cheese sauce you've ever seen? Stir it all together until all of the pasta is coated in the cheesy sauce. How easy is this? Okay, you can always add a little splash of milk extra if you want. Just to make it super creamy and saucy. Next up, the oven. So we're going to get an oven-proof dish. You're going to need muscles for this. In it goes. Now Now this is going to feed the whole family. Oh, delicious. We're going to sprinkle some cheese on top so it gets golden and melty and crispy. And you're going to bake this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until it's golden and bubbly. And again, get an adult to help you with the oven. Look at this. Oh, it smells amazing. It is creamy and cheesy and delicious. This is the most perfect, quick and easy dinner when you need fuel to keep you on the go. Okay, let's eat. Look at how creamy and cheesy that is. This is so comforting and delicious. The most perfect dinner. And what a great way to get in some extra dairy.